Hello guys, so you can see this is a Etsy front page, and here many people are selling their products. Someone is selling jewelry, someone is selling digital products, someone is selling some handmade product, and you can see the artificial jewelry, some cloths, and we also can see the different kind of handmade product here. So this is a gift. This is a Valentine Day. This is a seasonal. There is a seasonal column here on Etsy that is for Valentine, and where people are selling artificial jewelry. This is the top pick for buy Etsy for Valentine Day. Someone is selling artificial jewelry, someone is selling digital products, someone is saying catchy clothes which can be a good fit for Valentine. You can see they are selling the artificial jewelry, and this is the like you can find whatever the product. So let's talk about decor item. After searching decor item, you can see there are so many decor product people are selling, and they might have wrong listing because you can see this digital product in decor listing. So let's talk about this only, like digital product, because this is very easy for everyone. You can make, and as you can see they are selling this product at 391. The seller name is Rajizani, and they are selling this product from United States. They are a star seller with 5 rating, almost 5 rating, and you can see these are the products which is designed by them, and you can easily design this kind of product using Canva or any tool. So they are like really making good product. The designs are really good, and of course kids might like get fascinated with this kind of product. You can see they don't have long description as suggested by AI. You don't need to put all the description over Etsy description page. As you can see, there are no description. They have just highlighted the main points, like these are the party decor for gathering and celebration. This is wrongly listed product, but still they are getting visibility, and they have added the products and partners. They have added the instant download notification, that how you can instantly download, and you can see there are so many reviews about this product, and these are the shop name Rosoni, and they have made like 4.8 rating with 23k sales in 12 years from United States. So this is the basics of this shop, and when you will search about this shop and you will calculate their earning, so they have made 23k sales in, like let's talk about one product at 300. So if you'll calculate at 300, then it will be somewhere around 69 lakh rupees in 12 years. So of course this is not that much, but yes, you can see there are so many products at different price ticket value. As you can see, there are few product of 1795. So the overall sale of this store is around 69 lakh rupees, but it may be like maybe 1 cr, maybe 2 cr, maybe 3 cr, and at least 1 cr. I'm like pretty much sure. And you can see their reviews are really great. They have almost like 1565 total rating and total number of product listing, and they have 4.3% rated with 4.8 average review. And they are selling ornaments, they are selling animal and nature coloring pages, and they have some animations. They have, you can see they are selling product mostly with the seasonal product like Halloween, and like 100 coloring pages for Halloween for kids, and like they are like very focused on like on seasons, on Halloween, on Black Friday, on Christmas, and you can find all kind of seasonal product here. And they are selling some like general hardcover cover as well, and for AI, because you know this is a trending topic, so people are searching about artificial intelligence. So they are good to know. They are good in finding the people. They are good in getting traffic, and you know why they are getting traffic, because they are targeting the seasons. And you can see they are also selling the like jewelry kind of things. Yeah, so this is a and you can see their description are like very much little, so you don't need to go that long in description. You just need to put mention only those points which is necessary and which is really crispy and clean. Okay, you have to highlight that only, and you must add two, three, maybe five picture that is of great quality, which is clearly resonating, exactly resonating with your product, that will be delivered, and this product is being delivered to that person directly. And of course, you can see the reviews, and I believe this might like they might be providing customization as well for this kind of product, and this is also they can also ship to other country as well, like in India, and they are shipping this product, but the shipping charge is 897. So yeah, they have so many home decor product. You can see the clocks here. So let's find any other store for clocks. You can see they are selling, oh my god, this person is selling this product at 79,000 and running a ad as well. And let's you can see this product is being sold at 3,57,000, and they have like really amazing pictures. And you can see this kind of product with so much like so high ticket value, but still they have reviews, they have get sales from here. And this product, you can see this is made by Crafto and being sold. So let's find the home accent or decorative tiles or any kind of product that is personalized. You can see there are so many personalization and customization options available for you to sell, and you can find anything around you like this, and you can sell. Like as you can see, this product is being sold and this is customization, and this is made by Time and Direction, and they have like 4.1k sales in 3 years, and they have 4.9 rating, and this is really good shop. So you must follow this kind of shops, and you can get some like idea how to sell this kind of product. Like if you find any uh any product like this around your nearby market, then you can just list on Etsy and sell it as they are selling. And you can see they have made like 4.1k sales. So thank you so much guys, that's all. I will come in the next video for another shop reviews.